Hello students, welcome to our maths class. In 10th class, we are continuing our trigonometry chapter, which is a very big chapter and completely new chapter. We don't have any basics in previous classes. It is a completely new chapter, and even in higher classes, so it is going to be an important chapter. So in intermediate also, we have many problems based on these trigonometric concepts. So this is very important chapter, and of course completely new. So we completed first exercise and second exercise. Now let us go for the third exercise, and before that I am going to explain about complementary angles. Complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then one angle is called complementary angle to other. Suppose A plus B is 90. For example, 30 plus 60 is 90. Right side you have to get 90. So what if you add two angles, if the sum is 90 degrees, then one is called complementary angle to other. 60 degrees is called complementary angle to 30 degrees, 30 degrees is called complementary angle to 60. Complementary angle for 60 degrees is how much? 30 degrees. Similarly, suppose 75 degrees, what is its complementary angle? Complementary is 15, so that sum should be 90. Sum should be 90. If sum is 90, then one is called complementary to other. That means if one angle is say 70 degrees, what is the other angle? 20. 70 plus 20 is 90. Or we can find other angle as 90 minus 70. If one angle is known, other angle is 90 minus 70. That is nothing but 20. So if one angle is A, other angle will be 90 minus A. 30. Other angle is how much? 90 minus 30, which is 60. Suppose if one angle is 75, we don't know this. So what should be 90 minus 75? 50. So one angle is 70. What is other angle? 20. How to get the 20? 90 minus 70. If one angle is A, 90 minus A. So write down, if sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then one angle is called complementary angle to other. Or you can write like this also. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then the A and B are called complementary angles to each other. A and B are called complementary angles to each other. See here, complementary angle. Suppose if one angle is x degrees, what is the other angle? 90 minus x. If one angle is x, other will be 90 minus x. If one angle is A, what is the other angle? Other angle is equal to 90 minus A. One angle is x, other angle is 90 minus x. One angle is 10 degrees, other is 90 minus 10. If one angle is 20 degrees, other will be 90 minus 20, like that. So we have to get the complementary angle, subtract that given angle from 90 degrees. So we will get its complementary, like this. So complementary angle, sum of two angles should be 90. Now, see here. Prove that sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. This is one formula. Sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. This formula I will derive, and same way you can derive many formulas related to same concept. So take a right angle triangle. This is angle A. See, if this point is A, means this is called angle A, or also called BAC. Angle A, we can call it as angle A, or we can call it as BAC. So this is angle B, it is 90 degrees because we always take a right angle triangle. Now also I am taking a right angle triangle. It is 90 degrees. See here. I am going to prove this formula. Proof. Observe carefully because remaining I am not going to prove. Remaining you can prove similarly. What I am taking? I am taking a triangle ABC. I am taking a triangle ABC in which I am taking B as 90 degrees. I am taking right angle triangle. So in a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, then these two should also 90 degrees because sum total should be 180. Angle B 90 means then A plus C should be also 90. A plus C should be also 90 because 90 and these two becomes 90, total 180 because sum of all the three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. If this is 90, sum of these two should be 180 because A plus B plus C, sum of three angles 180 degrees. A plus B is 90 degrees. Plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. See that concept. Or I will write full. Since A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, A plus B is 90 degrees. Plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. So this is A. I want to write this. Okay, let us use that concept afterwards. Now see here. C is equal to how much? 90 minus A. C is equal to how much? 90 minus A. A plus C is 90. C is equal to A, that side 90 minus A. Now I am taking the left hand side. What is the given problem? Given problem is sin 90 minus A. Given problem is sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A is C. 90 minus A is C. 90 minus A is equal to C. Now what is sine definition? Sine definition is opposite side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is very clear. In any triangle, the greatest side, the biggest side, longest side, the inclined side is called hypotenuse. So these two other sides will change. Sometimes this will become opposite, sometimes this will become opposite. Opposite and adjacent will interchange, but hypotenuse will be same. Now here, what is the angle? Which angle we are taking? C angle. This angle we are taking, not this angle. Most of the cases we take this angle, but in some rare cases we take this angle. Now it is C angle. See here. See this angle. For this angle, what is the opposite side? Opposite, exactly opposite. What is opposite? AB. By hypotenuse same, AC. So sin 90 minus A is AB by AC. Let us keep this. So I got this value. Sin 90 minus A, I calculate, I got it as AB by AC. Now I am taking the right side. Cos A. I am taking the right hand side. RHS. Cos. So now I am taking angle A. So if angle A is the angle, hypotenuse is same. So for this angle, this will become opposite, this will become adjacent. We studied so many we practiced so many problems on this concept in the first exercise. Opposite and adjacent will always change as per the angle. So now I am taking angle A, forget about C. Now I am taking this angle. For this, what is the opposite side? BC. Adjacent will be AB. The angle Adjacent to this angle A is called adjacent side. So what is adjacent side? AB. By hypotenuse is same, no change. AC. What is the conclusion? This is AB by AC, this is AB by AC. So both are equal. Hence, sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Proof. This is an important formula. Right. Tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Prove that. See, like this we can prepare total 12 formulas. So I derived one, and the second also I am deriving. 3 I will derive, and remaining all you have to derive. See here, tan 90 minus A is cot A. Proof. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Then, since A plus B plus C, sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees, in that A is 90 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then automatically A plus C will become 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. Then C is equal to 90 minus A. C is equal to 90 minus A. Keep it here. C is equal to 90 minus A. So, if this is 90, then A plus C should also 90. A plus C 90 means C is equal to 90 minus A, or A is equal to 90 minus C. Anyway, now I am going for the proof. Now I will start the proof. In that proof, I will take the left hand side, LHS. Tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A can be written as C. 90 minus A can be written as C. 90 minus A is equal to C. In place of 90 minus C, A, I wrote C. What is tan definition? Tan definition is opposite by adjacent. Tan theta definition, opposite by adjacent. So this is hypotenuse, no doubt in that. So in these two, one time this will become opposite, and sometimes this will become opposite. So it depends on the angle which we are taking. Now which angle I am taking? C angle. C angle I am taking. For this C, what is the opposite side? AB. Tan definition. For C angle, what is the opposite side? AB. Adjacent is BC. So therefore, tan 90 minus A is AB by BC. Leave it. Now take the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Cot A. Now forget about this angle. Now come to here. A angle. Come to here. This is A angle. For this angle, what is the cot definition? Cot definition, adjacent by opposite. Cot definition is adjacent by opposite. Now I am taking this angle A. For this angle, adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB and opposite is BC, because I am taking this angle. So the side adjacent to that is called adjacent side. When it is opposite, it is called opposite side. But if you observe these two, both are same. This is AB by BC, this is AB by BC. Both are equal. So hence, tan 90 minus A is cot A.